Sometimes we need new tools, and today we need new tools, and the one that we need is going to be right here. That's all. Now it's a battery operated one, so I can take it anywhere I need to go, and the battery I think slides in right here. So we will get this one, further demonstration of this item after we get it home. Probably not today, but on another day.
Three weeks later.
Hey guys, we're going to unbox this tool today. It's a Dewalt miter saw. We're going to get started on that right away. Let me go get it. Alright, here we go. Alright, beautiful packing job here. Here it is. All kinds of cardboard in there. Packed nice and neat. Got all the stuff still with it. Dust guard here, the dust catcher. And whatever that other thing is in there, the warranty information. You want to make sure to remember to register that. It's important that you register the warranties. Otherwise, they're not a lifetime warranty. They're very limited warranties if you don't register them. So we're going to go ahead and start taking this apart. Alright, so this is the one, it is the battery and charger sold separately version. I couldn't remember when I bought it whether this one had one included or not, but I already have some DeWalt tools, so that is with no concern. I have plenty of batteries. So I'm going to put all this cardboard back in here for the moment. Just in case there's issues, we can use this box to ship it back. I always recommend keeping toolboxes or cardboard boxes for tools, not the actual toolboxes, but boxes like this, these cardboard boxes, and all the packing material for anywhere from 6 months to a year, depending on how much you end up using a tool, depending on what the lifetime of a tool is. So there's only a few assembly pieces here. This is the DCS361, 7¼ inch, 20 volt max, cordless sliding compound miter saw. It only does swivel. It swivels both ways, but it only leans one way. So that's why it's not a dual compound. Alright, you got it folks, there it is. Alright, this little baggie goes on the back here. I believe you can also attach an optional shop vac to it if you choose. That is most likely what I'll end up doing. That is to hold your board in place, I guess, if you need to use both hands on the saw. Battery compartment right here. Trigger up here. It does have a safety feature that you have to pull over on the side to pull the lever back. That's good. Now it comes straight down. Little guard that pushes down here. And if we want to swing this guy back, we just have to loosen this little thing back here. Little scrolly wheel. And if we want to push it through, we can. Or we can set it be right there and stay there, be all the way back. Again, this button right here will lock this, keep it down for transporting. Easy to transport that way. Alright folks, I believe that's pretty much it. Do you have any questions, any suggestions? So far, overall, very pleased in the way it was packaged, the way it came, the presentation of it. Definitely give it a 10 out of 10 on DeWalt. So we shall see. I'm going to go grab a battery. We can test this thing out. Alrighty, we're back. Go ahead and unlock that right there. Go ahead and slide this battery in. Here's a full battery, full charge. Just press that little button right there. Slide that right in there. Pull the trigger. Sounds powerful enough. Pull the little trigger on the side. Light comes on. Even has a little light right here if you need to turn it on manually. Now it does have a guide, a lineup guide, and I forget exactly how that part works. Yep, so overall, quite impressed. I am delighted for this new tool. It will be very useful. Let's go cut some sticks. So overall, I think it looks really good. It works really well. It's very smooth on the down. It's clean, nice clean cuts. Doesn't look like it's going to have a terrible amount of power, so you know, it could probably be used for light duty stuff. It'll be perfect for what I use it for. We'll talk more about what I'm cutting in a later video. Like, subscribe, share if you will. But more importantly, turn that bell notification on so that you'll be notified when we upload new content if you like what we produce. Anyways, we'll talk to you later. Catch you in the next one.